Yes, people, see me here. It's about 6 o'clock in the morning, getting ready to go take Benjamin out. But guess what? It's our first snowstorm in Boston today, first snowstorm of the season, you know? So it's not too cold, but it's a lot of snow. Benjamin, first snowstorm, look at him playing in it already. Check him out. What are you doing? Ready? Whoa, it's a lot of snow, Benjamin. Benjamin, first snowstorm, and he's loving it. Look at it's coming down. See that, people? Look at the cars, they're covered in snow. Snow! Snow, Benjamin! This is my car right here. Look at it, it's covered with snow. You can only see the front. This side you can see. This side you can't see. See? This is my car. Look at all the cars going down the line. All in snow. Snow, Benjamin, snow. It's in a bungle up. See? As I said, 6 o'clock in the morning. Look at all these cars. See? My feet covered in. Look at it. It's so deep the snow is. Benjamin is loving it. It's gonna be cold, boy. You cold? Your feet, they might be cold. Your feet are gonna be cold, buddy. Your feet are gonna be cold. Look at it right here. You see, that's about 6 inches right there, 4 inches or so. About 4 inches right there. Run, 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 run. Run, 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 run. Run, Benjamin. Run, Benjamin. You loving the snow? Look at the snow falling on the tree. Look at all the trees. Got the playground over there. See? Yeah, people, snowstorm in Boston this morning. Snowstorm in Boston. Me and Benjamin going for a walk, and I'm bundled up right here. Look at it. Check that out. Snows. Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. Run, 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 run. Run, 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 run. He's loving it. Look at him. Are you cold? Are you cold? No? Come here. Run, run, run. It's good to see. This way. It's good to see. It's good to see. Look at it. Somebody's car. We got a lot of work this morning. Look at all the cars over there. We got a lot of work this morning to shovel.